Kajingja ke belajar ke janmie jong arp sau terik uyayong arajar pesan hakaba kaladon ke jingrung kensan daki samla puli hakam rau Dr. Alok Singh jong ke Department of Hindi North Eastern Hill University nehu kalapoi show port bo ni no hikai ujor sendan daki ijahar pat ban keno bo wei na pedeng ki bela shoy udeu president ke North Eastern Hills University Students Union nehu su samla sandi sotun nakaliang ni no hikai ke arp san terik uyayong arajar pesan haba ujor ya ke ejahar mau kenro outpost ulai tho ba ka janmiet ka arpsau trik uyayong arajar arpsan kumbah ka por sau pesan AA u president ka nehu su ringkat sangut ki pat kila khang jubor u hapo ka kamra trikam jong u hakaba kila sho ladat u ringkat ka jingpen up da ka khanchi na rendang jong u pat pan berngem penyap u ka ejahar kala ongru banakani ka jingja ulam mensau ki benta ka klie ka kejat bat ka kti jong u kum tau kmi lenti biki bor bedai kmi kin shim kia lor kani ka kam
in my chamber some incident that Nehu Su president and 5 members coming in my chamber and close my door and I say ki what happened so he says ki no not anything, please sit down and don't speak anything. And then 2 person that take hold my hand and then beat me and that continuously that beating me and in my hand, in my leg, in my that head is that beating me and many times I say what happened, please tell me what happened, don't speak anything, you doing here politics. So I say I am feeling very bad because I am not doing anything wrong work and then some student came and beat me. This is good, yeah, bad, please decide all people, because I am mentally and healthily and physically I am very feeling bad. I am not properly speak because as a teacher I am not that imagine this type incident in my life. So please I asked please provide security because I am feeling not good. As a teacher I am not that mentally feeling good. So I say please for me give justice because as a teacher anyone come in the new campus and beat the teacher, this is not good. So all people I say I am wrong, please say no, I am wrong, then I listen all things, but no any reason you come the office and then beat me. This is not good for me. And last I say please give the justice because as a teacher I am not feeling good. The teacher is suffering problem and then someone coming beating. This is not good for me. And last I say please give the justice because as a teacher I am not feeling good. The teacher is suffering problem and then someone coming beating in India. This is not my culture, this is not my thought. Please cooperate me and justice me and that security provided for me. Yesterday I am going civil hospital and check up my all things, that is my hand also is going and my and civil hospital going and then some injection given me and x-ray. Doctor says not anything because he is beating me only hand and in my backside and my leg and head. So in my chamber that one paper cutting that knife and then my neck the paper cutting knife and then he says I killed him. So this incident I am not forgotten. Please or I pray that provides security, because I am feeling not very well, because this incident mentally and healthily I am very weak. So that's why.
Did you file any FIR
Yes.
against this?
Yeah, against today morning, because last that police protection and police inform, because I am not going, I am not that speak the voice, then that in future anyone that can this type incident do that. So I thought because my mother is also police, so then he says you go to the FIR and then reporting FIR and then police take it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ikan diat bat akabathau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.